In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube videos that keep freezing, buffering, or lagging on your computer. We'll be using Google Chrome, but some of these steps may also be available in other Chromium-based browsers. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click System. You should see an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this option is currently turned off, turn it on. If it is already enabled, try turning it off instead. Hardware acceleration can improve video playback on some computers, but it may cause performance issues on others. After changing the setting, click Relaunch to restart Google Chrome. Once Chrome reopens, go back to YouTube and play a video to see whether the lagging issue has been fixed. If YouTube is still lagging, the next step is to reset your Chrome settings. Click the three vertical dots again, select Settings, and then choose Reset Settings from the menu on the left. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then select Reset Settings to confirm. Keep in mind that this will reset settings such as your startup page, search engine, pin tabs, and content permissions. It will also disable your Chrome extensions and clear temporary site data, but it will not delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. After the reset is complete, reopen YouTube and test the video again. If the problem continues, you can also try changing your secure DNS provider. Return to Chrome's Settings page, click Privacy and Security, and then select Security. Scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS and make sure it is enabled. Select the option to choose another provider, open the drop-down menu, and choose Cloudflare. Once that is done, refresh YouTube and test the video again. If YouTube is still lagging, check your internet connection, close any unnecessary browser tabs or background applications, and temporarily lower the video quality by clicking the gear icon on the YouTube player. And that's how to troubleshoot and fix YouTube lagging, freezing, or buffering in Google Chrome.